Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you two looks which I created using Orange Chocolate palette by COLOURPOP. Now you can see how this palette looks like and what colors it contains, and I will also show you a picture from the internet and some swatches which I made. So let's get started, and now let's move on to the first look. Now I'm using the shade Sun-Kissed and I'm applying it at the top of my eyelid to help blend other shadows. And now I'm taking shade Creamsicle, which is a little bit darker, and I'm applying it in the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Yapil Me, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm applying it in the outer corner and also on the lower lash line, on the half of the lower lash line. Now I'm taking again Creamsicle or Sun-Kissed, I don't remember, and I apply it in the inner portion of the lower lash line. And now I'm taking Tangerine Dreams and Zest, and I'm applying Tangerine Dreams as my shimmer and the lightest shade in the palette in the inner corner. I don't know how to pronounce this weird name and I don't know what it means. And in a moment you will see some fragment which I put in this video for you to see the contrast between the edited video and the not edited video. And yeah, this is the not edited version, and only I increased a little bit saturation, but the rest is not edited. And now let's move on to the second look. And the first shade is Sun-Kissed, and I also apply it at the top of my eyelid. Now I'm taking Mimosa Mami or something like this, and I apply it in the crease. It's like a pinky orange color. Now I'm taking Yapil Me, and I also apply I am also applying this shade in the outer corner and also on the half portion of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking Raisin Green. This is the most orange shade of the palette, the true orange, and I'm applying it on the rest of my lower lash line. I wish I used this like on a full eyelid. And now I'm taking Tangerine Dreams and Squeeze Me, and I'm applying Squeeze Me as my shimmer and the Tangerine Dreams in the inner corner. I thought that Squeeze Me would be like too orange for this look, but it's better than I expected. And Tangerine Dreams look really nice in the inner corner. And now you have the comparison of those two eye looks.
Drop the beat, I'll taking over.